and scale up, you're going to face resistance, like scale sideways. And I was like, that makes sense, like
What
so I,
what month was that, Bozeman?
God, it was like sometime around like a little bit past October, I believe.
Yeah, about
Yeah,
like
that was
around.
one of the epic meetings that we were all up till like 1 o'clock in the morning, and there was only like 8 of us left.
Don't try and scale up, you're going to face resistance, like scale sideways. And I was like, that makes sense, like
What
so
what month was that, Bozeman?
God, it was like sometime around like a little bit past October, I believe.
Yeah, about
Yeah,
like
that was
around.
one of the epic meetings that we were all up till like 1 o'clock in the morning, and there was only like 8 of us left.
Yes. I'm telling you, Bose, I'm in the same boat with Bozeman because it was at I heard from them. Well, first time I talked to them was I think the very last meeting in October. Is when I talked to them, and then haven't been here for a while, and I always reference that. After that conversation, I could not sleep. I couldn't. I completely missed that
Same.
night. I could not sleep. I was thinking so small, man. I was so mad at myself because I was like, yo, I was thinking so small, and I'm moving up account number 8 right now. So it's just, it's
And
just
Caleb,
crazy.
tell me, so Bozeman, tell me, I mean, you've got those 5 accounts. I mean, are they, you're obviously building them up. You probably don't have all the 10,000 yet, but are you seeing those results?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
I
it
haven't,
happens fast,
I
Definitely
haven't been able,
happens fast.
I
Yeah.
haven't been able to, I haven't been able to snipe or product substitute or anything like that, just because as of right now, I'm processing now. I'm processing close to 200 orders a day by myself. You know what I mean? Because I'm still I'm still in the process of getting the VA right now. You know what I'm saying? So I did some interviews, and I kind of jumped back into doing a couple more interviews. Just I just want to be sure that I'm getting somebody for the long term. Not just for the short time. So if I were to substitute or snipe anything right now, I'll be way too overwhelmed with the amount that I'm processing a day.
Can you
Like
imagine
right
what a
now.
good problem that is to have, that you're just worried about getting too many orders?
I know, right?
And listen, it's a product of having 8 accounts. I mean, think about it. I mean, I'm getting goosebumps even listening to you guys. That is, I mean, that is, if you guys are in here to make the big money, that is the secret about this. And a little bit more about me. I've got an engineering degree. I was really big into real estate in my 20s. I had, 14 rental properties and 34 tenants, and I started some .coms in the 90s, and I mean, I've jumped around and done a lot of things. What we are doing here with drop shipping and eComSniper is the most scalable business I have ever run across. Meaning, I've done real estate, I've built network marketing businesses, I've built affiliate, websites, and all of them have major bottlenecks that doesn't allow you to scale, right? Scaling just means duplicating, be able to just take the process you have and just duplicating it over and over and over, right? And I'm just telling you, to this day, there is still nothing I've ever run across that is this scalable with such little cost of entry. And that's the key. It's, think big. Man, Caleb.
Hello?